So let's start. First I'm gonna make loop like this, then 1 2. This pattern multiple 2. You can just your blanket heart size. You can make blanket heart in this pattern. So I have 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So viewers, you can't make with like 20. You have to make even number. I would like to make one more chain because I'm gonna make half crochet in third chain. Otherwise you have to make, if you want to make 90 chains, like for example, then make 91 chains. So first half crochet make in third, okay, like this. Yarn over each stitch I'm gonna make half crochet each stitch like this. Half, half. So at the end you should have 90 half crochet. Sorry, 19 half crochet. So I'm gonna continue like this. It's so easy pattern. Even beginner can make this. So I have 19 half crochet. 19, 1, 2. Always you should make chain 2. Yarn over in very first stitch. I'm gonna make half crochet. Okay, yarn over. I'm gonna skip one here. I'm gonna make skip one, so single crochet. First single crochet, then yarn over, same stitch, make half crochet. Skip one, make single crochet, then yarn over, same stitch, make half crochet. It's pretty good pattern. Skip, make single crochet. This is this pattern in one row until your project end. Yes, skip, single crochet, then same stitch, half crochet, skip, single crochet, then same stitch, half crochet, skip one, skip one, single crochet, yarn over, half crochet, skip one, single crochet, same stitch, half crochet, skip one, yarn over. At the end I'm gonna make, skip one, at the end I'm gonna make half crochet here. Sorry, it's not end one. Let me, here, see, yes, it is end one. End one, make half crochet, chain two, yarn over, half crochet, then skip one, single crochet, same stitch, half, skip one, single, yarn over, half, skip one, single. I'm gonna continue like this, same stitch, skip one, then make single, make same stitch, half, skip one, make single crochet, then same stitch, half crochet, skip one, make single crochet, skip one, single crochet, then same stitch, half crochet. Continued like this. At the end, half crochet, chain two. You can see how it's pretty, how it look like. It's so good pattern. Yarn over. First always make half crochet, half, then skip one, make single, same stitch, half, skip one, make single, then half, skip one, make single, then half, same stitch, one single, one half, in one stitch, one single, one half, in same stitch, always one skip. This pattern isn't difficult, it's so easy. It's good for learner as well because it's easy, they can make as well. Yarn over, last one, always half, chain two, then turn. This pattern has both sides same, half, then skip one. I hope you can see this, which one is I'm gonna skip always. This is a small hole in there. I hope you can see it. Skip one, then make single, then half, skip one, make single, then make half, skip one, make single, same stitch, make half, skip 1, single crochet, same stitch, make half, skip 1, make single, same stitch, half, skip 1, make single, same stitch, make half, yarn over at the end, make half, chain 2 always. So I'm gonna continue like this. Very first stitch always make half, then skip 1, make single, then same stitch, half, skip 1, make single, then same stitch, make half, skip 1, make single, same stitch, half, skip 1, make single, skip 1, make single, then same stitch, half, skip 1, then make half, skip 1, single crochet, then make half, skip 1, make single, then half, yarn over at the end, make half, this look like this. I used pink color, you can use whatever you like. Chain 2, same process, half, then next single crochet, then half, same stitch, skip 1, make single crochet, then half, skip 1, make single crochet, like this, skip 1, make single crochet, skip 1, make single crochet, then half, same stitch, skip 1, make single crochet, then half, same stitch, skip 1, make single crochet, then half, same stitch, skip 1, single, then half, same stitch, yarn over at the end, make half. So I'm gonna continue like this. I will show you at the end my pattern. I made a very small pattern, but it's easy. I hope it's very helpful for you. Okay viewers, my pattern is end. I'm gonna finish this in here. It's small pattern, but you can see edges are so good, all edges. So I hope this is so easy pattern. I hope you like it. If you like, please like and share, and don't forget to press the like button and the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and thank you so much for a nice compliment. So I hope this is so really easy, and even beginner can make this pattern. It's pretty good pattern. You can even, if you want to change the color, you have to change the color 3 rows, like 3 or 4 rows like this, and you can use whatever color you want. Four rows other colors you can make in 3 colors, 2 colors, or in 1 colors. I hope you like it. Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Craft. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Craft. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for a nice compliment. Today I'm gonna show you this pattern. It's so easy, even beginner can make this pattern, and good pattern. You can, if you want, you can make in 1 color, or you can make in 3 colors, you can make in 2 colors. If you want to use different color, you can use after 3 or 4 rows different color rows. So it's so easy, super easy for beginner.